Hi friends! Today we are learning about 10 more, 10 less. Now, we're already pretty much experts on this, but I'm going to teach you another way to do it just in case when you're counting things get a little confusing. I wanted us to start just practicing counting by tens. So counting by tens, get ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time, we're counting by tens, get ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, friends. All right, so today when we're talking about 10 more, 10 less, the biggest thing we need to know is that the ones place always stays the same. The ones place stays the same. When we're doing 10 more, that means that I'm adding 1 to the tens place. It means I'm adding 1 to the tens place. I'm not adding 10, I'm adding 1 to the tens place. That's how I'm adding 10. 10 less means I'm subtracting 1 from the tens place. It means I'm subtracting 1 from the tens place. So I have a number here and it's 37. What's my number? 37, good. I need to show 10 less. So I know right away that my 7 stays the same. It stays the same. So that 7 is going to stay exactly the same. But when I look at the 3, I'm going to subtract 1. I'm going to take away 1. So 3 take away 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So in my tens place, I have a 2. My ones place stays the same. 10 less is 27. Good. Now let's look at 10 more. I'm looking back at my 37. I'm not looking at 27 anymore. That was something just to answer. But that has nothing to do with my 37 right here. So 37, I'm adding 1 more to the tens place. I'm adding 10 more. So I know my 7 stays the same. It's in the ones place, so it's going to stay the same. But I need to add 1 more to the 3. What's 3 plus 1? 4. Good. So I put a 4, and then I leave the 7 exactly as it is. 10 more is 47. Good. Say hi, Coco. Take a look at our examples, some of our practice. So I'm going to add 10 more to these numbers. I'm looking at the number 63. I know that the 3 is going to stay the same because it's in the ones place. I could honestly just bring that 3 down right away, and I already know that that's fine. But this 6, I have to add 1 more. What's 6 plus 1? 7. 10 more than 63 is 73. Good. Now I'm looking at the number 29. I know the number in my ones place stays the same, so I'm going to bring it right down. Now I need to add 1 to my 2 because I'm adding 1 more to my tens place. What's 2 plus 1? 3. Good. So 10 more than 29 is 39. I have a challenge. Bring it on. Here we go. I have the number 145. Say, whoa, whoa. I know that this ones place is going to stay the same, so I bring it down. It's a 5. But now I have something in the hundreds place. Guess what? It's staying the same too. It stays the same too because I'm still only working on my tens place. So now I look at the number 4. I need to add 1 more. What's 1 more than 4? 5. Good. So now I can write it down. 155 is 10 more than 145. I don't mess with this hundreds place because right now I'm working on my tens place. I'm only adding 10 more, not 100 more. Now I'm moving on to 10 less. Well, guess what? Same thing, but instead we're subtracting. So my number is 75. My number is 75. Good. My ones place stays the same, so I can just bring that 5 down right away. But now I need to take 1 away from the 7 because it's 10 less. So what's 7 take away 1? 7 minus 1. 6, good. So 10 less than 75 is 65. Good, now we're looking at our next one. This number is 91. The number is 91, good. I know my 1 is going to stay the same, so I'm going to just bring it down. And now I know I have to take 1 away from this 9. What's 9 minus 1? 8, good. My answer is 81. 81 is 10 less than 91. All right, I have a challenge. Bring it on. I have the number 167. Same thing as up top. The only number that will change right now is the one in my tens place, which is this number 6. So I can bring down my 7. I can bring down my 1. And now I'm looking at this 6. I need to take 1 away from 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 157 is 10 less than 167. All right, friends, you did a really great job today. This should be super easy for you. You already know how to do 10 more, 10 less. I just taught you a different way to do it. Good luck on your exit ticket, and I will see you tomorrow.